Okay, this is the Trick Toys Stormtrooper comm system with the static burst feature. This is showing you all the parts and how it fits together. Okay, so start with the helmet. My helmet is a stunt helmet. It's not a mask or a replica, nor is it an FX one. So what I'm showing you here may be slightly different with your helmet depending on what it's already got in it. Okay, so at the front of the helmet you see these two bits here. These are your actual speakers where the sound comes through. When I first got my helmet I just had normal plastic ones which didn't do anything. I removed those and you have to drill two holes through the dents in this bit, and as one of them is for the wires to come through and the other one is so you can screw this into place. As you can see, it comes with this black part, this black plastic part, the metal grate, and also see that circuit thing in there, that's the main speaker. So you have to assemble these and put them together and then pull the wires through the back and you screw it in place. Then it's a bit hard to see on here. Then all the wires come through here and you have to solder them together. Instructions should be on the Trick Toys website. If you have a look, they will tell you how to wire it together there. And it connects to this circuit board here, which switches your system on off and also controls the volume. But be careful, if you have your volume too high, if you put the headset near it, you can get quite a bit of feedback, so be careful with that. It also connects to this battery here, which is I think it's a D battery or something like that. Just connects to that. That provides the main power for the circuit board. Now, the headset actually is on my chest piece, as not all of it will fit in my helmet. You may find that's the case with yours as well. So, in your chest piece here, you have a battery pack. This thing does have a lot of batteries in it. Battery pack here, and if I can actually open it, it might help. I don't think it wants to open. No, it doesn't want to open right now, but it should have a couple of batteries in there. I can't really remember the size of it, but I think it's 4 normal batteries in there, so you shouldn't worry about that too much. Okay, then connects. You've got the headset here, which obviously goes on your head, and you have this wire here, which connects to your helmet. Get your helmet. You'll see on the circuit board, this goes in through that top bit of the circuit board and that silver part there. And if you put it on, okay, so you put the headset on, yeah, and you have a microphone. You put it fairly close to your mouth, so it can pick up your speech clearly, and you can also get a good static burst here. You may find it's a bit uncomfortable at first when you have it in your helmet, but like with many parts of your costume, the more you wear it, the more you will get used to it. Okay, so in your helmet you just switch it on with this little grey part here. That bit. As you can see, or here, if you can, it's picking up some slight bits there. Now, as you can hear, I can't really pick up my voice right now because the mic, you need to move it very close to your mouth so you can actually hear it. And if it's not very clear, you have to turn the volume up a bit. But sometimes the speech on this isn't very clear, so you have to play around with it and find out which is probably the best one, and be careful with the feedback. Now, I'm not going to put this on because 1, my hair is just going to get in the way, and 2, it's going to take me ages to try and line this back up again because I'm not that good with it, as it is new to me. But yeah, So that's the speaker system. And to do the static burst, see, this isn't very comfortable without my balaclava on, but to do the static burst, all you need to do is you need to put the microphone close to your mouth, if you can, and then just blow into the microphone like this. You can also do clicks. Sometimes it doesn't pick it up, but you do have to be careful. See, you notice, if you can. Too loud and you will get feedback. So, just normal speech. At the moment, I've only got one of my speakers working, because the other one we got actually didn't work, and I haven't fitted my other speaker yet. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that to get fitted when I have a bit more time, because it will take me a while. And yeah, that's the speaker system done. Also, just one other quick point. I've been asked about how my belt is connected to the armour, so I'm just going to quickly show that as well so it's clear. Okay, so this is my belt. Now on FX armour, I'm not sure how the belt is connected, but on my one, you can see I use these poppers here. Now they're very strong ones. They've actually been put a hole through a piece of plastic, which you connect it to, and then you stick the plastic onto the belt. You can see that piece here. Now on my armour, if I can take the back piece off, you can see it connects to these bobbers here on the side, again put through pieces of plastic, and you have that either side of the top bit of your cod piece here. And then to connect it around the back, all you have is just, again, the same poppers, and you have it on this side as well, and you just connect them together like this. And there's your belt. Of course, now that will be connected to the armour by the front piece. Okay, so these are the kind of poppers that I use. They are sport and camping press fasteners. These are what I've used to replace some of the popper pieces on my costume, which have broken off, or I've need to cut certain bits to make it smaller so it can fit. Now, of course, in this packet there are instructions on how to use them. I'm not sure if they have these in America. They should do, just I've never been there and I know what kind of brands they've got over there, but if you can get something similar to this, you should hold your costume together really well. If not, the next best thing I would say would be rivets, and that banging is just work going on downstairs. Okay, so that's it. Any other questions, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If something's too hard for me to explain over an email, then I will make a video and I will inform you about that video so you can actually see what I'm doing. So yeah, so if you're gonna get a stormtrooper costume, good luck with it. It's really great fun, you will enjoy it. It may take some time getting used to it, but it's absolutely fantastic.